And now it's time to practice with some ICD10CM coding exercises. Now the ICD in ICD10CM stands for the International Classification of Disease Systems. This is the 10th revision, or you can say the 10th version of this particular manual. And it's clinical modifications because it's designed for us to use in our doctor's offices. Now, it's published every October. So let's start by looking at the task of the medical coder. So our first condition is the flu. So using the enclosed resources, let's go to ICD-10 alphabetic index. So if you're using a resource such as the PDFs or a coding manual, your starting point will always be the alphabetic index when searching for a code. So what I normally do is I go straight to the letter of the condition that we're looking up. So it was the flu. Then I go to Edit Find, and then in the search field, I type in flu. And then you click Next until we see the term in bold and all the way to the left. That is what we call our main term. So I see the flu in bold, all the way to the left, no indents, but it says, see also influenza. Now we know that influenza is the full name for the flu. So let's search influenza. So again, I'm going to type on or click on the letter I so that I can get closer to the code I'm trying to look up. So I'm going to type now influenza and then click Next until I get to the main term in bold. And I see influenza. It gives me these modifiers, which may be in my documentation or may not. And the code is J11.1. Now, using these manuals, we do not stop here. So now we have to go to our tabular list to confirm that we selected the right code. So I'm going to Edit and then Find. And this time I'm going to type in the code J11.1. And I'm going to hit Next until I see it on the left as a main term or category. So here I see that J11.1 is for our influenza. Now, it does not state that I need to divide this code any further. So then our correct code is J11.1.